Hello my subscribers or new ones that are still coming in. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, do your best to subscribe to this channel because you are going to be made a winner, because here no loss. Once you join, you're a winner already. 10% of forex trader lose. Why not be among the 50%? I mean 90% loses, only 10% win. Why not be among the 50% that will be winner, because we are optimizing the 10% to be 50. That means we want to increase winners. Introduce your friends to this channel if you like them, if you want them to succeed making money in the forex market. So today is 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑍𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒍, and right here with you we are discussing a critical topic, and that is something you cannot afford to miss. If you have pen, write this down, write this topic. 100% 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑍𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒍 professional strategy. Flip $5 to $5,000 per week. ForexClubHouse fee, a collaboration with ForexClubHouse channel. Right here you need 3 indicators. Okay, I will tell you how they work. You're gonna go to 𝒓𝒊𝒔𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂 and you are the moving average, and this the values should be 20 exponential. Oh my god, period is 20, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, start straight and going down, and you click on F once again and go to the same place. You go click on F plus moving average, and then this you get here. It should be 200, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and the start should be 3% down. And then you have to click on F again, then on main chart you click on it and it will take you to oscillators, and then you click on stochastic oscillators, and that is the value. K period is 60, D period is 1, slowing is 1, price field close, method is exponential. So style 𝒚𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒊 the background color of your shirt. If it is white, put it white. If it is black, put it black. Then the levels, 10 you buy, 90 you sell. Forget the 50, we don't need it right in this video. So what is the next thing? Your charts. Oh, you need one indicator in the indicator window 1. Click on that F plus on the indicator window 1, then go to trend. You see the moving average. Now click on it, and the value should be period 10 shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. This style should be 3 piece, no level. Click now, and that is what you are seeing here. Go to make sure you zoom to the least zoom level when you are using the 5-minute time frame, please. How does this thing works? You compare 5-minute time frame behaviors with daily behaviors, and you take your entry based on what is happening in daily. You go to 5 minutes to look for the swing point where such thing will start happening, and you place your trade. I tell you, you will be a winner forever here. So how to look at it before you start? You have to go to the day, zoom to the second zoom level. Now use second or third, anyone that will help you to visualize the candle. We are working on the current candle. When the daily time frame, actually opens in 4 hours in a day. Then 5-minute candle, the candle opens and closes in 5 minutes. Okay, now you have to consider we are looking at the body of the candle as at the point of analysis. Like you want to get your signal, you will have to do this, please. If you are analyzing, you have to do this. Put this just a little bit shift, just make a little shift here. We are going to use just here, put the coordinate here, and then measure. Normally you can do this by your eye, but we can take a little bit measurement, measure there, just push it any place. Is just be consistent, any place is good for you, then and then you're going to measure here. Just be consistent. So this is 44.57. Okay, 44.57. Let me write it in the calculator. Let me do everything. I will show you. The total daily week pips WP is 9,457, while the total daily body pips, that's the main trading session, is 25,000. And then the BP is to WP, the ratio of BP to WP, that's the ratio of daily body pips to daily week pips is 2.64. Now, because this value is greater than 2, it's supposed to be, that is the ideal, it's supposed to be greater than 2. So since it is greater than 2, we say that the daily candle is ideal for this strategy. Is ideal for V75 professional strategy. Okay, so what we do here is, like, because we are doing this analysis right now, the day has not ended, because this is, if you check with the phone, if you convert it to 4 hours, if you check the time, this is 20:05. We still have extra 4 hours. I'm sorry, no, 24 hours. We still have extra 4 hours, a couple of extra 4 hours. So we can still get some opportunity here if we can obey the rule. So we have discovered that the candle is, first of all, before you go to 5 minutes time frame to take opportunity, ask yourself a question. Yes, this candle have satisfied the ratio rule, which is the ratio should be the ratio of the body pips, the daily body pips to that of a daily week pips. This ratio should be greater than 2. Now, since this ratio is, it should be either equal to or greater than 2. Please, it should be either equal to or greater than 2. Now, since it is greater than 2, right now, the next question you are going to ask yourself: what is the polarity? What is the polarity? It is red in color, so the polarity is bearish, meaning that sellers are the ones controlling this market and not buyers. If you are buying here, you are risking your money. So how do we get entry? We now confirm that this is sellers, like this is bearish, and so we should be looking for sell signal. We should be looking for sell what signal. And how do we look for that? You go to 5 minute time frame. When you go to 5 minutes time frame, you zoom to the least zone level. Now, you have to be patient enough to look for sell signal. Now, make sure, if you want to get a sell signal, first of all, look for, there are 2 ways, or there are a few ways. Look for crossing, where the screen crosses the moving average 200 from from above, because we are looking for sell signal where it crosses from above. Then you also consider looking on the indicator window 1, where the moving average then touches level 90, because this is the sell signal. Now, where are you going to put your stop loss? You put your stop loss above those resistance levels here, like here. You put your stop loss there at that price, 63.4210, and you are going to short. What happened? Where do you put your take profit, or where do you close this trade? Please, there are 2 ways to end this trade. Either you wait until the moving average 10 touches level 10, that is to show you that it has saturated and is about to rise or buy, then you close. Or you just consider putting your take profit, and like you look at, use a good risk to reward ratio. When you consider your stop loss, if you set aside $20 to be lost, then make sure you make at least 5 times, from 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, because you are actually following the market. You are actually following the daily behavior of the market. Sellers are the one controlling the market on this day, and so you are going to enter and use proper risk reward ratio, okay, or you wash your trade, your indicator window 1 until you hit level 10. So that is how this works. Okay, even if you miss this crossing point, okay, you can still get opportunity without, like, you can get opportunity without the indicator window 1. Yeah, now how does that works? We are going to wait. We are going to draw. You are going to use moving average as a trend line, and you also need to draw a trend line. Also, you need to draw a trend line. Yeah, because the market is the body. When the ratio of the body wicks to that of week. When the ratio of body peep to that of weak peep is above 2 or is equal to 2, it's telling you that main trading session is being displayed in the body. Okay, if the color is red, it means sellers are controller. If it is bullish or green, buyers are controller. Don't worry, I will go to the bullish behavior later. So in this case, you let me show you without waste of time, please. This is for real. Okay, actually this point, you don't know this point. You know this point, and you also know this point, and use it to line. Then what are you are waiting to this trend line, or at least close to the moving average, moving average 20, but you should wait for a confluence for the price to hit moving average 20 and also hit the trend line, or it will hit moving average 200 and also hit the trend line. Any of them can work, please. Actually, moving average 200 may not give us signal apart from crossing, where both of them, the moving average 220 cross, you can get signal. But otherwise, moving average 200 is used to know the trend. When the price, since the price actually is below this moving average 200, it's telling you that it is downtrend. It is a perfect downtrend. Okay, we use moving average 200 to know the long-term trend. It's telling you that in the long term, it should be trending downwards. Okay, and then the moving average 200 actually is a dynamic moving average, is a dynamic trend line, which you can use it in conjunction with a ray trend line, which is this one, which you should draw by yourself. And then, like, we should be waiting for this kind point. Then what do we do? You sell, because sellers are controllers. We're also waiting for this type of point. What do? We sell. The price hit the moving average and also hit our trend line, so that's cool. Big deal. Your take profit should be, you set it as 5 times or more of your stop loss level, or you wait for the price, the indicator window 1, the moving average, and the indicator window 1 to hit level 10 for sell signal. So let's go to an asset that has a bullish behavior in the day. Okay, this is it. This is very, very dangerous. Why? I mean, it is very, very perfect and so powerful and so profitable. It has 0 week, no week. Currently, it has no week. I don't know. It depends on when we are doing your own analysis. It has no week. That means the week is 0, and then the body. If the total week is, because you have to find the total, the lower and the upper week. That constitutes the daily week peep. The upper and lower one, the total, constitutes the daily week peeps, and the daily body peeps is this one I have done. Is 24,116 point something. If you divide it by 0, it will give you infinity, meaning that the ratio is far greater than 2 and it is perfect entry for you. Okay, I hope you understand. It has no wick, so the total wick pips is 0. Now what you need to do is you go back to the 5-minute time frame. You have to minimize this, you see. Now the same thing happens here, but in opposite direction. We are looking for buy signal because in the daily it is bullish candle. So the buyers, the bears, the bulls or the buyers are stronger. In fact, they are controllers of that market. What you need to do is to draw a trend line that will converge with the moving average 20. Okay, you can see moving average, the price action is actually above the moving average 200 and most of the times. In fact, if you keep checking, most the 70% of the time is above, telling you that it is uptrend. And then you draw your trend line. Maybe you know this point, yeah, you know this point in past. Okay, and you also know this one. Okay. So what are you waiting for? You are waiting for the price action. Okay, let me rotate the screen so that you see clearly what I'm doing. Oh, you people should be very attentive right away. Baby, let's kill this. Okay, let's kill this. I'm going to get a trend line perfectly. Let's do it. Time to west, please. Oh, that's it. Again, I'm going to draw it. Oh, that is cute. This point, I see this point in the past. It's forming a new trend. Oh my God. And then this point, I don't know it. Now, you see the price action. Please, you need confidence, please, for you to make a good entry. Please, don't be in haste. Try to have patience. We are waiting for the price to hit the trend line. Okay? So, we know these points in the past. We already got entry. We know here. See what happened here. Let me show you what happened, really happened. Okay, you see these 2 points? One, we know them and we know this. We use it to draw the trend line, and when we drew the trend line in 5 minutes, the price action actually hit the moving average 20 and break it and comes to trend line and hit the moving average 200. That is a triple confluence, a triple trend line confluence, because moving average 200, moving average 20, they're all dynamic trend line, and then the main trend line. That is in practice. It's not a model that the 2 moving averages will satisfy. No, we only need moving average 20 and the traditional trend line which you will draw. Then the moving average 200 is just to tell you the overall trend or where the course, like there is a course in here. Now the moving average 200, the moving average 20 course from below the moving average 200. That shows you a buy signal. You should buy here. Where do you put your stop loss? You look for the nearest support levels. Oh my God, let me draw it. That is obvious. Oh my God, you see, this is obvious support level. You are going to put your stop loss at 54,200. Oh my God, 542,485. That's where you put your stop loss. And what happened? The markets buy up to this point. If you buy here, you should have made over 26,495 pips. That means if you buy one lot size, you are making over $26,000 by now. That's good. That's good. It's a kind of game. You need to understand the game. I spent 4 years learning Forex market. I learned, I quit. I said, no, I won't give up. Yeah, I'm going to be useful to this company. And that's what I'm doing right now. Try to change your life today. If you like this video, give it a thumb. Like it. Oh my God, share it to a high volume of people that YouTube will push out to a high audience. Right now, I'm going to show you how to play stop loss for the confluence of moving average 20 and traditional trend line. Like here, we know this point, these 2 points in the past, and we use it to draw the trend line, these 2 points. We know it. What happened here? That was a touch of the price action touches the trend line and also touches moving average 20, and like the moving average 20 and trend line approximately meet. That is a confluence point. And also moving 200 also do the same, but it is strengthening the whole signal. What do you buy here? What happened? You are going to see it keep going up, obeying the behavior which both buyers controlling the market. You put your TP there, and where do you put your stop? You put a stop loss here. Where do you put your take profit? You put your take profit as based on your reward ratio 5 times of your stop loss level. If you are setting to lose $10, you are going to put your stop loss. Get the peep that will give you 5 times. If you want to know how to calculate risk reward ratio appropriately, maybe you don't know how to do that, comment in the comment section. Join my channel. Tell me what you want. I'm going to do a special video because of you. You're gonna watch it and you're gonna thank me later. If you don't know how to do risk reward ratio, that means you will blow your money because you don't know how to manage it. So another way to do that is to wait for what? The moving average 10 in the indicator window 1 to hit level 90. Okay, then you close your trade. I forgot something. Oh my God! Before, we are using everything to using indicators and price action. Okay, see, before you make any entry, make sure that it has hit level 10, please. Like, I'm sorry. It's not a must to hit level 10 because the market is already trending in the daily upside. It's trending upwards in the daily. What you need to do actually is that make sure it has touched level 10, and then there are two things you should be looking at. There are things you should be looking at. It should have touched level 10, and it is now level moving up to hit level 90, so you can make entry there, please. Even if I didn't say this when I was discussing about daily bearish behavior, please take note of that. It's not a must you will enter when it hit level 10. No, like for buy, it is not a must you enter when it hit level 10, and for sell, it's not a must you enter when it hit level 90. No, just make sure that if you are buying, this moving average 10 must have hit level 10, and if you are this average 10 must have hit for 90, and then use other things I've told you in the main chart to get your entries. Thank you. This video is taking a lot of time. 24 minutes, but it's going to determine your millionaire Forex lifestyle. Thank you. I remember WINFX Trading, and here you are in WINFX Trading YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, share, and like. Thank you. Bye for now.